As a homeowner, at some point, you're going to have trouble with your sink drains, and you're going to need to replace something in the stopper part just because they don't seem to last forever. So when mine needed replacing, I decided to go with a pop-up style that I ordered from Amazon, and I've been really pleased with it. Let me show you how the installation goes. So I buy most of my home repair stuff at Home Depot or Lowe's, but this particular set came from Amazon because I couldn't find what I was looking for with Home Depot. And the price and quality certainly seem to be better with this brand, the Kuzor pop-up drain. You get two, and I'll link to these below if you're interested in these. So on a remodel our house, I installed this bathroom, and this has been now 10 years ago. I put these Moen sinks in, faucets in our sink, and it was a kit, had everything with it, but they've not been very good quality. With this one, it's been corroding pretty badly. It's going to be replaced at some point. They feel like they're good quality, but they haven't performed well. The main problem has been their performance in the drain, in that I've had to replace parts already down here because they are corroding and falling apart. And so today I'm replacing the entire stopper here and drain with a new one. As you can see here, the rod that came through the stopper is what rusted out. This has already happened on the other sink. And there you see where it's, of course, this part is plastic, but not as good a plastic as my PVC pipes. So to take the old one out, I'm going to take off everything from the bottom. I can't remember if these were secured in with anything else, like plumber's putty on the top, or if it's just a gasket. Seems a lot of sinks have gone to just a gasket now. The bottom part removed, the top part comes out nicely. I'll clean this up a bit before I put the new one in. Yeah, so this one had plumber's putty in it. The new one will not, because it just has a ring here, so it won't need any plumber's putty. So when you're replacing one of these, you need to know whether or not your sink needs a overflow. And so this one has an overflow, so that's just simply to catch any water. This is what your overflow is. So if your sink has a hole up here at the top, and if it has a hole up here at the top, then you need the specific drain to catch that. On here, it's just a matter of putting these on and tightening them up. Put the camera down so I can do this. Okay, so this is what this should look like. I've only hand tightened this. I'm going to see if I can get away with that. If there's no leak, then that will be adequate. All right, so with that in on top, looks like we're holding water pretty well up here. Down on the bottom, checking for leaks around each of the connections. I'll run my fingers there just to make sure I don't feel anything, but I don't see anything happening either. So I am getting just a little leak on the back side of this one. This is not a joint that I just put together. I think because I've put new pressure on it, I'm going to need to make a little adjustment back here. So not a big deal. This is the second install. On this one, I did have to come back and tighten a little bit more. Still tighten it just by hand, but on the first tightening, I was getting just a little bit of a leak right here. So I came back and gave it a few more twists. It's running warm water, so they kind of help to loosen things up too, make it easier to tighten. But on this one, the other connections look good. Make sure the stopper is going to catch it now. I like these. So I replaced the old style with the new ones. I'm just going to leave these in here for looks because I don't want the hole there. But essentially this now has no function because now we're just doing the push button style. So to summarize, that installation was actually done in October of last year. So I am about 9 months in, and I've been really happy with these. So I like the way they seal, the way that they pop. They are easy to use, and I think they're going to last a long time. So hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.